Do I need to put these two videos together?
Maybe, I don't know. I think so. But I got, you can use some of my other videos too.
Alright. What's up guys, Cryptic Kid here, and today I'm going to be doing my 4th of July special. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, leave a like, comment, and then subscribe. Hope you all enjoy. Guys, be quiet. Alright, I'm gonna go get a better view. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. Hey buddy, hey little buddy, hey little man. Alright, you ready?
Guys.
You ready guys?
This is gonna be firework.
Alright, doing my intro. Great job, guys. Anyway, guys, I was gonna do one today. I was gonna set off the fireworks, but I guess I can't, cause my dad said no, but my grandfather said yes. Coming from my dad, he know how I feel, whatever. Hold on, I gotta get a better view.
Yeah, you back up, man. You actually put this box in this thing or not? I think you could just put that on the ground. Yeah.
What's that? I think you just light that string on fire.
It's not clean. It's not.
Hey guys, back up, back up.
Well, let me say to God.
No. I'm making a YouTube video here, so you know, I'll put you on one of my other videos, okay? Sorry guys for that interruption. He's kind of mad because I don't like putting other people in my videos, except for people who are gonna like do game videos with me.
Get back. Back up.
Yeah. Is there one more?
Yep. Bigger one.
A bigger one? Oh, there's another pack.
Where'd they go?
Where they at though? I'm just joking.
What happened? Where'd everybody go?
Where they at though?
Huh?
I'm just joking. Whatever, guys. So yeah, I saw some more. I could have got that, but I missed.
The what?
I think that's the last box. But we didn't get a lot of fireworks this year. Get back. That's a really big pack. It's like a bomb. Is that the last pack of fireworks?
Yeah, that's it.
Alright. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and then subscribe on my video. Thanks for watching. I will see you all later.